Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall and manage apps on your Windows 11. So in order to manage apps and uninstall apps on your Windows, you can go to the settings by click on start icon, Windows icon, and click on settings. Here you can try to click on apps. And as you can see, the first option is install apps. Uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Now you can click it. In order to, if you want to uninstall the one of the software, you can easily find or scroll down and try to find software that you want to uninstall. For example, Malwarebytes. This one. You can click three dots on the software or on the apps bar here and click on uninstall. So click again uninstall, click yes. Now the software will be uninstalled from your PC. And here you can also manage the apps. For example, the maps, you can tap three dots, and here the advanced options. You can manage like let this app run in the background. You can click never or always or power optimize. You can terminate the app. You can repair the app or reset the app, or even you can uninstall this maps app. Feel free to try to uninstall and manage your apps on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.